How is everyone doing tonight? So here we got a pair of some LED reverse lights from this brand. I'm not gonna try saying it. So let's see what they look like and show you guys. Here they are, guys. So they're sort of like projector style out of LEDs, and these were the brightest. So let's give them a try. But first, I want to show you guys what the backup lights look like now before I put these in, so that we can see if these make any difference. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like with the normal lights that it has on right now. You can't really see much, so let's go ahead and put the new LED bulbs in and see what it does. Alright, so we opened up the trunk and now we're gonna take our backup lights out. Just twist to the left and pull straight down. This is our factory backup lamp, so let's go ahead and take it out. So I want to show you guys what they look side by side. I'm not sure if these new ones are gonna fit, but let's give them a try. And this is what they look like, guys. Let me know in the comments if you guys think they're brighter or if you think they look the same. So if you guys haven't already, subscribe. It really helps. And then I will put the link down in the description, and I will also get you guys a screenshot of what they look like. Thanks for watching.